this lesson, we're going to learn about rectangles. So up on the board, I've drawn a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now, how many sides does this rectangle have? Now, I want you to watch carefully because I'm going to show you what a side is. This is a side. This is a side. This is a side. And this is a side. So each of these parts are a side. So if we want to know how many sides there are, then we can just count each side. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Now, how many corners does a rectangle have? Now, a corner is where 2 sides meet. So this pointy part right there is a corner. This side meets with this side. So it's where 2 sides meet. That's a corner. And a rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Now I want you to notice something. If you look at this rectangle, you can see that each corner is exactly the same shape, kind of like the corners on a book. See this corner has that shape? Well, each corner on a rectangle is exactly the same shape. And a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. That's always true about a rectangle. Now, what if I drew a rectangle like this? Is that a rectangle? No. Rectangles have 4 straight sides. This side is not straight, so this is not a rectangle. Now, rectangles can be tall and skinny, or they can be short and fat. But notice that they still have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, and they still have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Now we can also find objects that are shaped like a rectangle. For example, if you look at this book is the shape of a rectangle. And so is this notepad. So if you look around your house or your classroom, then you can find different objects that are shaped like rectangles. Now I need you to find the shape that is a rectangle. Can you find it? It's this one. This is the rectangle. See how it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. This is our rectangle, and so we'll choose it. Now here are real objects, like the kinds that you might see around your home. Can you find which of these objects is the rectangle? Look carefully. It's this one. This is the rectangle. So we'll click on it. So now it's your turn to do some. Have fun.